Hi guys, my name is Gerald and we're back again with another episode of unboxing and review with Catboy. What are you laughing? What's so funny?
That's why you look silly.
I look silly? You too, Catboy.
Yeah.
Okay, today we have a mystery box here that we are going to unbox. It's a big box, right, Catboy? Well, it's a mystery for Catboy, but I know what it is. We're gonna open it together and review and unbox what's inside and see if Catboy like it. All right, Catboy, are you ready? Are you ready to see what's inside? All right, let's open it and you can pull it out of the box and see what it is. All right, Catboy, get it. Open it. Do you see what it is? Take it out.
It's a helmet.
What?
Yeah.
What is that?
It's a helmet.
It's a helmet? What kind of helmet is that?
I didn't know.
You don't know?
Uh-huh.
Here, show it to the camera. So we got this helmet for Catboy because Catboy started playing scooter and bike, and so far he's just been riding with hat. So we want to get a cool helmet for him. And this helmet, the brand is Raskullz. It's for kids age 5 to 8. It has this visor that will go up and down.
So we can ride a bike. That's why I can see.
Yeah, it's almost like a pilot. See, if you want to use the visor, pull it down, and if you don't want it, you can pull it up. So I thought it's pretty cool.
That looks like sunglasses.
Alright guys, this is a closer look of the helmet. It's a regular helmet. Almost like a Captain America helmet here. It has the star on the side. And Raskullz from age 5 to 8. The inside, as you can see, it has some paddings on the side. Also has paddings in the middle, right there. And you can adjust the strap from this end. So it's a regular helmet, but what makes it different is this visor. I thought it's pretty cool because you can put it up and down. Remind me of a, I don't know, like a pilot helmet. So there you go. Okay, we're gonna try this on Catboy. So we're going to open all the tags. This one, let's take this out. And let's get this. Let's cut this off too. All right. So we have an instruction here. Let's open it and see what's inside. It says shield visor warning. Do not cover eyes with shield visor component at night. Yeah, so don't use the shield at night, essentially. That's what it's saying. Common sense. And let's see, what is this? It's just some instruction in different languages. Nothing special about this. Alright, we're gonna put that aside and let's open this. The sticker here that's covering the shield. It peels off nicely. Oh, look at that. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. And one thing that I wish they have though is, you know, some bicycle helmet, they have this adjustment on the back, you know, that you can tighten or loosen depending on your kid's size. So this helmet doesn't have that. So those who want to buy, just keep that in mind, because whether it's going to fit you, it's going to be loose or not. So there's no adjustment that you can make on the back here. Alright, so let's try this on Catboy. Alright, so I opened the helmet, I opened all the tags and the stickers, and moment of truth. Let's see if this is going to fit Catboy, or Mickey Mouse? Are you Catboy or Mickey Mouse?
Catboy.
Catboy?
Mm-hmm.
But you have Mickey Mouse on your face.
And then mask.
Yeah, you have Mickey Mouse on your face.
It's a mask.
It's a mask?
Uh-huh.
Alright. Okay.
This.
Whoa, look at that. It actually fits. Whoa. And let's put on the strap. Catboy, watch out. Watch out your chin. Okay? Whoa. Can you pull up the visor? So it's still a little bit too big for Catboy.
It's not bigger.
It's not bigger?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Well, it's okay. I mean, like I said, I wish they have that adjustment dial on the back, like what some bicycle helmet has, but this one doesn't. So, you know, either it fits or not. But this fits. This fits all right. This fits pretty good, and Catboy can use it for a couple more years, hopefully. But all right. Can you turn around, Catboy? Can you turn around? Wow. Okay. Can you turn on the side? Cool. Alright guys, this has been a quick unboxing and review of this Raskullz bike and skate helmet. I bought this from Target for about $25, so I thought the price is right. And this fits children age 5 to 8. Fits children with head circumference of 50 to 54 centimeters. So make sure before you buy this, measure your child's head, make sure it fits. And again, this has been a review of Raskullz bike and skate helmet. Thanks again for watching and see you next time.